Okay, now let me show you the flow, how the order will be placed. So whenever a user comes to the restaurant and scans the QR code, so I have this table number 1 QR code places, for example, and I scanned it, so I will be able to see this menu. So I will say the name, background, a logo, and then I will be able to see all the categories at the top. So we have moved the rice category to the top, so that is why the rice is on the top, and then we have fish, and then so on, whatever the um, uh, pattern or sorting we have done for these categories. So in these categories, for example, on a table we have 4 persons. One is wanted more something else, and I wanted something else. Similarly, third and fourth are wanted something else. So everyone will scan the QR code and they will place the order. For example, I want this one test item, and I edit the item to the cart. So you will see in the cart I will have other information. I can add special instructions for the waiter and for the chef. I can add tip. These are the presets we have configured in the configuration of the restaurant. You can select any of these. You can also select custom tip like this one. So for example, I'm going to add $50 as a tip, or 50 rupees as a tip. I can increase the quantity. I can remove this item from the cart as well. So the total will be 150 for my side. So I can place the order. I'm going to place the order. The order is placed. So as you can, so it will automatically populate the order. So for example, a new customer, for example a second customer, also scans on the same table, so they will have the menu. They can see the order is already placed by another guest, and that is the test. So they will add like chicken masala, two plates of chicken masala, and edit. They can go to place, all good, no onions. So I placed it. So you see the order is received on the waiter side as well as on the restaurant side as well. So on the waiter side I received the order. In the order I see the chicken masala rice, and the quantity 2 is added. Because I am a waiter, I can also modify the order on my side as well. I can see per guest view, where I can see like we have 2 guests, and one has offered this one and one has ordered this one. So if I can also merge them like this, like, to see what are the total items that I have to place. So once I accept it, then it will be moved to chef. Once the chef has all the information, like he has the same menu, so he can click on the merge and then click on the print as well, whatever need to be printed. Same for here, the same print. Okay, I'll show you the printing in here like this. It will show the print like this. I cannot move it. Yes, I can, like this. For the kitchenette, it will show like this way. And let's move back. And once the order is start preparing, then obviously it is also in the start preparing mode. So once it is in the preparing mode, it will auto detect the stock. So you see, we have added the test. So in this order you can see it's been deducted 0.5 liter for this order, and also for this one it has deducted the quantity 0.1 kg. So I'll update this a bug. I'll fix on it. And yeah, if you go to the history and check the quantity, you have orders. In this order we have salt and delta utilized. Once the order is placed, then customer will not be able to add it. For example, if they try to add another thing, it will say your order is being prepared, ordering is passed until the table is free. So it will be freed when the order is completed. Then obviously again you can utilize the same QR code for the next order. You can see the detail of your orders here. Now you cannot modify it because it is already, your order is already preparing. Okay, so once it is prepared, then obviously they will mark it as ready. And obviously on the waiter side they will receive a notification. They will pick up the order from the chef and then serve it. Once the order is served, customer will eat it and then they will clear the payment, and then obviously they will mark it as complete. So in this flow, whenever a order is placed, it will have a full flow. Restaurant has all the authorities. They can mark it completed at any time, they can mark it ready or anything. So restaurant has all the authorities, but um, but the waiter has the authority just to accept it and then serve it and then complete it. On the other hand, chef has only two authorities. Whenever the order comes in, they will start preparing. They can make the order in the preparing mode and in in the ready mode. Once the order is prepared and ready, they will be taken by the chef, by the waiter, and then serve it to the customer. So this is the flow of ordering.